Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare linear versus binary search in Java. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two common search algorithms. Understanding their mechanics is crucial for efficient data retrieval. I'll explain how each algorithm operates, highlighting their unique approaches to finding an element within a collection. By the end, you'll know which one to choose for your programming needs. Linear search is straightforward. It checks each element sequentially until a match is found or the end is reached. Imagine looking for a book by checking every single one on a shelf from left to right. Its time complexity is O(n), meaning performance scales directly with the number of elements. This method is simple to implement but can be slow for very large datasets, potentially requiring millions of comparisons. Binary search, in contrast, is far more efficient but requires the data to be sorted. It repeatedly divides the search interval in half. If the value of the search key is less than the item in the middle of the interval, it narrows the interval to the lower half. Otherwise, it narrows it to the upper half. Its time complexity is O log n, a significant improvement for large collections, finding an item in a list of 1 million in about 20 steps. So, which is better? For unsorted data, linear search is your only option. However, for sorted data, binary search is overwhelmingly superior due to its logarithmic time complexity. For a list of 1 million items, linear search might take 1 million steps, while binary search could find it in about 20 steps. Always prioritize binary search when your data is sorted for optimal performance and efficiency in your Java applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.